To insert a SIM card or two SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy S26, this is what you're going to do. You're going to ensure that you have a SIM ejector tool nearby, and then you're going to look for the SIM tray on your phone. And once you found it, it's located at the bottom. Just simply insert your ejector tool and push in. Once it's done that, the SIM tray should pop out, so just go ahead and pull it out like so. So you can see I currently already have one SIM card inserted and it's set to the SIM1 slot. So you can go ahead and just arrange the SIM cards to your preferences, whether you want them in SIM1 or SIM2. And ensure when you're placing them, the metallic part is facing up. So do the same thing on the other side if you want to add your other SIM card. And then once you've done that, all you need to do is simply insert the SIM tray back into the SIM port, like so, and then push in until you hear a slight clicking sound to signify that you successfully inserted. Once you've successfully put them in, they should be detected. And now you can go ahead and assign them whether you want them to be SIM1 or SIM2. Then tap on next, and then just set up your SIM card by choosing which one you'd prefer for phone calls, which one for messages, mobile data, all sorts of things. Once you've done that, it means that you've successfully inserted your SIM cards into your S26. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.